Hello and welcome to HW News. The farmers' protest has been going on the borders of Delhi for 24 days now. Farmers, especially from Punjab and Haryana and from Uttar Pradesh, have been camped at the borders of Delhi in protest against the farm laws. Lakhs of farmers with thousands of their vehicles, tractors, trolleys have been literally living on the borders of the national capital. The government blames opposition for the farmers' protest. The opposition, on the other hand, blames government's arrogance for the farmers' protest. And the farmers blame government for the protest. But what if I tell you that now Vodafone Idea and Airtel are being blamed for the farmers' protest? That they are insinuating the farmers. Sounds bizarre, right? But it is not. Because the Mukesh Ambani owned Reliance Jio feels that these two competitors, or should I say, the only two competitors in the telecom market, have been using farmers' protest to get more customers on their side. And Jio has also complained about it to Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, crying foul. What exactly is the issue? Let us understand in detail. But before that, if you are watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are watching this video on Facebook, then please do like, share and comment below our video. So, let us understand this issue in detail. First, a little update from farmers' protest. The farmers have said that they will not move from the borders of the national capital unless Modi government repeals the three contentious farm laws completely. The Modi government says it is ready for the talks and it will quell the doubts of the farmers. The Supreme Court meanwhile proposes setting up a committee with representatives from both the sides so the stalemate could be ended. Now the government believes that, and mind you, they have been asserting it in every possible communication of theirs, that the farmers are being misled. The Prime Minister himself has said a number of times that farmers are being misled by the opposition leaders who want to find their lost political ground through the protest. The government basically says that farmers, especially from Punjab, are being provoked by leaders of the opposition parties. But while the government is busy blaming opposition for the protest, Mukesh Ambani's Jio believes that it is the Vodafone Idea and Airtel who are snatching customers from it unethically using the farmers' protest. It all started with Jio approaching TRAI with a complaint. According to report in Economic Times, Jio has sent a letter to TRAI alleging that its rivals are running a vicious campaign against it. The letter claims that Vodafone Idea and Airtel are spreading frivolous rumors that Reliance Jio will gain from the farm bills. The letter says that the company has received a large number of port-out requests these days where customers are citing this, that is, the farm bills protest as the sole reason for porting out Jio. But they don't have any other complaints or other issues related to Jio services. In this letter written on December 11, Jio also alleges that Vodafone Idea and Airtel continue to remain directly or indirectly involved in supporting and furthering the ensued notions and false, frivolous rumors of Reliance being an undue beneficiary of the farm bills for unethical pecuniary benefits in the form of induced porting of RJIL customers. Now, simply it means to say that it believes the two rivals are engaged in furthering the notion that Jio might be benefited due to new farm laws and thus leading to increased number of MNP, that is mobile number portability, out of Reliance Jio. The Jio letter also adds that Airtel and Vodafone Idea's retailers and employees are claiming that people will aid the farmers' cause by porting out their Jio connection. Jio in its letter also alleges that Airtel and Vodafone Idea remain unabated in pursuing this vicious and divisive campaign through its employees, agents and retailers. They are inciting the public by making preposterous claims that migrating Jio mobile numbers to their network would be an act of supporting the farmers. Now, Jio also said that the actions by rival companies are in violation of principles of tariff advertisement and TRAI orders. Now, obviously, since Reliance Jio complained about this to TRAI, so both Airtel and Vodafone Idea issued their reply. And they too did not mince their words. Now, here is what Airtel said in its response. Airtel said that the company emphatically denies this baseless charge. It said that the complaint deserves to be dismissed and thrown out with the contempt that it deserves. Airtel said, despite being provoked by some competitors who we know will go to any length to make baseless allegations, adopt bullying tactics and use intimidatory behavior, We have always conducted our business with character and transparency, something that we are deeply proud of and are known for. The current complaint therefore deserves to be dismissed and thrown out with the contempt that it deserves. It is in poor taste and scurrilous to say the least. It further said that it has been operating in the telecom industry for 25 years and during this period they have competed hard in the marketplace and striven to serve their customers with excellence. The letter says Airtel takes great pride in treating its competitors and partners with respect. Vodafone Idea has also rubbished the claims made by the Reliance Jio. It said that Vodafone believes in doing business with ethics. These are baseless allegations against us to malign our reputation and we strongly refute such irresponsible comments on us. That is what the statement read. Now this war of words between telecommunication giants apart, what exactly prompted Jio's complaint to try? Have a look at this picture first. Apparently, there are some stalls installed at the farmers' protest where protesters are asking to boycott Jio and port the Jio number into other operators. Not only Jio SIM card, there have been calls to boycott other Jio products, Reliance products as well. Well, the reason behind this is farmers believe that new farm laws that allows private sector into farming business, only big businesses like Reliance Jio of Ambani and Adani will benefit. This has been one of their main reservations since the beginning of the protest and thus this boycott call. Well, how does TRAI respond to the complaint of Jio now remains to be seen. But before I end this video, I have one small request for all of our viewers. Those who have been watching us already know that we believe in bringing you news that matters to you. We say truth as we see it. Yesterday, I reported on PM CARES, the anomalies in the registration and why the opaqueness should concern us. Do watch the video. You can click the I button and watch this video. We do such stories because we believe in journalism that speaks truth to power. But that will require your support and thus we have introduced membership program. Do join our membership program on our YouTube channel. The details of this program I will show you shortly. As always, do subscribe to our channel, spread the message, like and share and don't forget to tell us what you think about the feud between telecom giants in the comment box below. Thank you. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.